To see your Facebook passwords if you forgot it's pretty simple. You first have to navigate to your settings gear. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate password and accounts and tap on it. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then continue to tap on Google, and this is where the magic will happen. Here you have a list of options, which is personal info, Google Password Manager. So I'm going to tap on Google Password Manager and allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then after that, this will pull out a list of all the accounts that you have is password. So continue to locate where Facebook is. In this case, this is mine, so I'm going to select on it, and there you are. We have our Facebook email address and the password. Now for us to see our password, all we have to do is to toggle this eye icon on. If this option didn't work for you, let's jump back to the second option. And with the second option, we're going to open our Chrome browser. In your case, you can open any of your browser that you are using on your device. On the top right corner, we're going to tap on these three dots, and with this pop-up menu, we're going to scroll down and tap on settings, then proceed to tap on Google Password Manager, and this is where the magic will happen. Then you have a list of options here. You can scroll down until you locate Facebook and select on it, and then on this interface you can proceed to toggle on this eye icon, and this will give you access to see your Facebook password. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and give this video a like. See you in the next video.